Welcome back to my channel once again, guys. I'm here with another amazing update. It's actually a continuation of Walrus update on Sui blockchain, and this time we need to be like we need to claim an NFT on Walrus, which is a platform on Sui itself. Just like we have Deep Book, which serves as the backbone in terms of liquidity for Sui blockchain. And here, let me show you how to go about it. For those who have been following, as I said earlier, you should check through my channel so that you can be updated. There are some things I may not be doing videos for, so I'll be posting them in my WhatsApp channel, and this is my WhatsApp channel, so you can follow, turn on notification of the channel so that you can always see updates, same way you turn on notification on my YouTube channel. So just let's go without wasting much of our time. Let's go to the Sui wallet. This Sui wallet. So when you come to Sui wallet, as you can see, the NFT I have here, I don't really have any NFT here aside this particular one. And this particular NFT I have here, I think it's something we've done from a previous testnet. Let me just check it so that you see that it's a different NFT entirely. You can see this one is for Sui Vision, so this one is actually an entirely different NFT. So here, the first thing you need to do, which I didn't show you in the previous video, make sure you're on testnet. You can see here, once you click here, you will see there is testnet, there's mainnet. Yours might be on mainnet. Make sure you switch to testnet first. So once you switch to testnet, this is where you need to click. For those who don't know how to go about this, sorry, cancel. To switch to testnet or mainnet or wherever, this is where you need to click. This is the option here. So once you click it, you pick between any of the option. So here we'll go back. So for those who are just seeing this video for the first time, who have not been following Walrus update before now, you need to check the video earlier posted, which is, I'll be dropping the link to the video in the video description section, so that you can watch and also do that particular task, so that you don't miss out on any of the updates. So yes, make sure you always check the video description section for information. So here now, the task we need to do right here, sorry, is we need to go to apps, which is the application here, the third option here. Then you go to search, you paste the URL we just copy, which is flatland.walrus.site. So we'll search. So once we search here, you can see this is what we need to do. I will disconnect this wallet. That's an initial wallet. So here I'll show you, this is connect wallet. Once you click on connect wallet, you're already using Sui app. For those who are newbies or noobs in this space, please make sure you use Sui wallet, which is the app. I won't advise you using extension, because if you're not very sound yet, there's no point going to use the extension. You might not really understand extension much. So the wallet has made everything much more easier for you to use. So that's why I'm using the wallet, for you guys to understand better. If you don't have the wallet, as I said earlier in my previous video, just go to Play Store, download your Sui wallet, and easy peasy. So now we click on connect wallet, we select Sui wallet, then you pick the wallet you're using for the transaction, which is this. After picking the wallet, what we need to do right here is to mint a Flatlander NFT. I'm sure you all know what it means, minting NFT on Sui and Aptos, because now Aptos, now we minted something on we minted the first airdrop we ever got. It was, the criteria was NFT we minted on testnet for Aptos, and that was what gave us the airdrop back then. And here now, Walrus, I don't know if they are trying to do similar things, but I don't want you guys to miss on any of the updates I drop. That is why, no matter how easy and little the video looks like, the task looks like, I still make sure I make video and also still post it in my channel, so that everybody can participate. No matter how newbie you think you are, you'll be able to understand. That's why I'm making the video. I understand. So that's what I need you guys to do. I want everybody to be carried along. Everybody should have something they gain from this space. That's why I am here for you guys. So here right now, the next thing we need to do, you need to be very, very fast about it. I notice the thing is kind of slow, but if you've been fast, you'll be able to mint easily. So just watch what I do. Just click on this, mint a new Flatlander. Click on mint a new Flatlander. So after clicking, you click approve. Then you use your thumbprint for verification. If it's PIN you use, whichever one you use is fine. So you can see automatically I've minted. If you don't see this here, it means you're not done. You have to see these details that pop up. Minted a new Flatlander. You have to see that. So for you to be sure this thing has actually been minted into your wallet, you need to go to your wallet to check and see. Then go back to your wallet, go to assets section, which is here. So once you go to assets section, refresh the wallet, you can see another NFT just dropped, which means you're successfully minted the NFT. If you don't see for the first time, just refresh your wallet. If it doesn't pop up, it means you've not minted. Go back and go through the same process once again. So that's how to go about it. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. I will make sure I try every possible thing I can to make sure I carry everyone along and everybody should eat well. Tomorrow, hopefully, we'll be checking our final allocation for grass, and I wish we all touch grass, guys. Congratulations to everyone who participated and paid attention when I asked everyone to do so. Congratulations to those who got deep, and congratulations to those who will be claiming X Empire as well. There are a lot of airdrops to come, so just stay close, guys. Stay with me and we'll win together. Trust me. Take care of yourself. See you in my next video, and don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends and relatives, guys. Bye.